Welcome. In this video, I'll guide you through the quick and simple steps on how to turn on sensitive media from channels on Discord. This updated method works on the mobile app, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to tap. Let's get started. First, open the Discord app on your device. Once you're inside, look down at the bottom right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture icon. Go ahead and tap on it to open up your account menu. Next, you'll see the Settings option. Tap on the little gear icon to go straight into your settings. Here, everything related to your account and preferences is organized into different sections, so it's easy to find what you're looking for. Scroll down until you find the section called Content and Social. This is where Discord keeps all the controls for media preferences, including the sensitive media option. Once you're inside that section, you'll notice a category specifically for sensitive media. Now look for the setting that says Direct Messages from Channels. By default, this option may not be showing sensitive content. If you'd like to allow it, just tap on it and select Show. This ensures that when you're receiving media files or browsing messages from channels, Discord won't automatically hide anything that it considers sensitive. And that's it. You've successfully turned on sensitive media from channels. From now on, you'll have full visibility of the content that comes your way, without those extra media filters getting in the way. To quickly recap, open the Discord app, tap your profile picture in the bottom right, go into Settings, select Content and Social, open the Sensitive Media section, and under Direct Messages from Channels, pick Show. Simple, clear, and done in just a few taps. If this guide helped you out, make sure to keep these steps in mind whenever you need to adjust your media preferences on Discord. It's a small change, but it gives you more control over what you see while chatting and exploring channels.